Hey guys, Joe Sib here. Today we're doing another video. Today it's another Joe Sib car video. And today we're doing something. This is another repair video, guys. And today I'll be showing you how to replace your gear stick gaiter and your handbrake gaiter in your Volvo V70. If you've seen the last video, I put a card up on the screen. You see I had a kind of a rip in the handbrake and a rip in the gear stick. That's what we're fixing up in this video. We've got the part. I will link the part in the description. It is from a company. And in case you have a facelift V70, this can work on s60s, s80s, xc70s, maybe even your xc90, but maybe that. In case you have a facelift, I'll link one for the facelift. It's a black one and not a grey one like our ones is. If you had the 2006 model V70, it'd be a black gaiter, and I'll link that one in the description as well. And the grey one. Let's get on with the video. To remove the pencil holder and all the lift, get the gear stick gaiter out, I'm going to be using this wallpaper scraper. So you don't scratch it, I'm going to be using duct tape. I'll link some in the description. I'll make sure I link a wallpaper scraper for you in the description. Right guys, you'll get a bit off the end. I'm going to pause until I get this off. So guys, get a bit of duct tape. Tear off your bit of duct tape. And put it over the end, what I'm about to do. This is so you don't scratch your interior bit. I'm going to just pause until I've wrapped this round. I've got that to wrap round. I'm just going to stick a little bit more on. Bit more and just stick it there. Place it on. And you wrap the little, then stick it down like that. That's good enough to act as stop you scratching your paint. And now let's get in the car and remove the bits before we take the gaiters in. Right guys, to get this out, I removed it. Look, I got it here. No clip's broken. You got to lever it out from this side, and then make sure you don't accidentally clip it back in. And then here's the bit that I now need to get this bit out. I think I might have to slide it up from down here. I'm not sure this. I'm going to pause until I figured this out. Guys, to lift this up, pull those two clips back. Pull them two things back, and that lifts up. There you go. Now this all comes underneath this gaiter. Now I've got to try and get this out. Look at that, that's how it will work. That moving cable, dude. With your shifter, you got to squeeze these two retaining clips. A bit of a wiggly thing to do. Your hand's in the way, Dad. Then you drop that down, and now pull up on this. Out it comes. There you go. We got the. I now took the gaiter off though. And now, guys, it's time to go and install a new gaiter. So let's get into the kitchen right now. Right, guys, here's our new gaiter that's going to be going in the Volvo. But, guys, we've got to take the old one apart right here. There's a few clips to release. Clip. One there, and another clip right there. You can pull them back. No, it should lift. Right. clip in that one. Here guys. And remove the other two. Here you go. See, it saves you going to a garage and asking them to do it, because they'll probably charge you to do it. See, look, we've done it for a completely cheaper price. And now, guys, you've actually got to get it off of here. Yeah. And we need this little bit here as well, so I'm going to have to get something in there to get this bit out as well.
Around you do it, cause
I'm going to pause until I've got this thing out. So right guys, this can only go on one way. You can't put it on any way. You've got to take this little bit of plastic out. You need to remember how this goes on. You get your screwdriver right in there. So yeah guys, I'm going to pause until we've actually got this plastic out. And as well guys, you've got to scrape it off the plastic as well. The gaiter. Yeah. After you get that little plastic ring out. Got to try and get it all off. But guys, if you have a newer the facelift V70, not 2006 4 model, it'd just be slightly easier than. But guys, I thought it was going to be a lot harder than what it actually was, guys. I'm going to pause until this is done. And guys, you have to remember what way it's come off as well. Make sure you guys remember. Make sure you remember, guys. No, guys. You can really see how torn it was. But guys, we got a replacement here. You do need to glue as well. You need to glue this into. And you
smaller.
Or smaller. It's because it's no. You need glue in skills as well. So you do actually need to glue as well. And then the next one will be the gaiter, the handbrake. But I've really worked on the. It fits fine there. So yeah, just get the glue gun out. And it does smell new as well, guys. I know you can't smell it though, but it actually does smell new, guys, as well.
What you do when you put this ring on, you pull the gaiter inside out.
You're using the old one.
Yeah, just showing it as an example. Inside out, because you need to insert it in the new one, of course. You need to insert the new one in there like that, and you stick that in there. Then you pull the gaiter back through so that it ends up the right way out. Then you get a nice finish to the top of your material after you've screwed it in. That's how you do it. Okay, well, let's get on with it then.
Spray adhesive time. You got this spray adhesive.
Right, I was trying to get the adhesive in there in the first place. How did you do it?
So is it like a spray?
And it's very wide. Got a wide spray on it as well. We've got to try and, I suppose, do it like that. I suppose do it the best we can.
So okay, you made a mistake. Yeah. We're gluing that plastic in.
Put it over me though.
Yeah, you can make it over yourself doing it. So when you get your ring.
Which has got to be done as well.
Pencil to do this though. So
bit of a messy old job.
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna leave that there to dry a bit.
And
It's really sticky, this stuff. Look at that, it's sticking on my hand. Look. It's carpet adhesive. That's what it's doing before. Look, carpets for sticking foam. Foam back carpets, cork carpet. So it's going to stick that.
So we're adhesing it slightly different, guys. So it might look slightly different. And we're not going to make all these holes though. Either.
You just don't make lots of it. Oh, it's stuck to me. Look, it's so good.
Just stick it in there, Dad.
Yeah, I've got to wait for. I haven't got too much. Not doing it.
It goes. Yeah, guys, in it goes. Makes a great finish. And there's a bit gone in. Because that's what's your handle's going to be attaching to your gear stick handle. I'm just putting this out here as like a guide for you guys. It needed one for a few years. It's needed one. It's been like it for a few years. It's finally replaced. We're replacing it.
I think it's actually stuck to me better than what.
So guys, is that ready?
It's just a bit dismal.
Pretty much is ready. Hope this fixes your v70 ripped gaiter. In case you have a facelift, it's going to be a black gaiter if you have a facelift one. They do black ones from a company as well. Handbrake and gear stick. Black version as well. I'm going to pause until he's sorted it out. Make sure the glue's gone all the way around. So I keep actually spread on the table us. So yeah, we're just putting it in there. I've placed down a bit of wood, if you probably can tell. But then on next part, I will show you how to do your handbrake gaiter in this video, in one video, how to do both.
Oh, got to let that stick and cure a bit now.
So now, guys, just wait a few minutes for it to dry. Right, guys, I think we've finally got the plastic in. What are you doing, Dad?
Checking to see if it's properly stuck inside.
Yeah, I think it's stuck. So, guys,
we're going to have
look.
to wait.
Now, guys, we're going to have to wait for it to dry.
The problem we've had with this one is that the material we're using, the new material that we're using at the moment, is a lot thicker than the older material that was on there. You could fold this anywhere, very flexible. This one is quite a heavy, dense, twice as thick as what we're using, so it's more difficult to apply to the parts that were originally on the car.
I will link this in the description, guys. And if you have a facelift, they do black one of these, so I'll link one of those in the description as well. On eBay, and I'll try and find one on Amazon as well for you guys. But we usually shop on eBay, we do. We usually get car parts off eBay. Probably one thing you've probably already noticed, I have upgraded the key to the Volvo, you could probably tell. But that's not what the video is about. See, we bought the gear stick handling. It's quite great. This handle, I know for a fact this is at least done 134,000. Nearly 130,000. That's how many miles we've done in the Volvo. So I bet this has probably done 225,000. But very close to 225,000 this gear stick has done. That's a lot, and that's still looking good. You know, it's a little rip there, but that's what you expect with high miles.
Just cleaning off.
So, can you explain to the YouTube what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm just cleaning off the rest of the material. Where we tore it off, it seems to be... I don't think this is glued. It appears to be like it's... The plastic's actually melted to the old gaiter, so...
We're going to glue it on there.
So we're just smoothing it off, so we get a good contact when we get the old one on.
Yeah, think we get the new one, you mean?
Yeah, sorry, the new one.
Yeah, when we get the new one on there, you get a better contact. I'm going to pause until we've done it, because you've got to do each individual one. I'm going to pause until it's all done. So, guys, the two little seams are facing to the rear, to the front, actually. So yeah, guys, we're just measuring the old one.
Well, that's got to be the front. That's the front. That is the front.
Two faces towards the dashboard, and the single one faces the rear seats. And that's how we need to do it with our new one. I bet that hasn't been off, guys, since 2002 when the car was built. Do you have to glue it?
Well, just piecing it on there at the moment.
You're just shaping it. Try pushing the top down. It's a bit of stretching as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's quite tight on there. Do we even have to glue it? Is it so tight?
There's nothing here, so holds it on.
Don't think you've got it. Oh, you haven't. I got it on there right, Dad. Single face is the back. Actually.
Righty. You'll have to excuse me because I've never done one of these before.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we haven't done one of these before though.
Jiggers. Well, that's where it wants to.
So yeah, we're gonna have to glue it on there. Is that right, Dad? Is that right? We have to glue it on there.
Somewhere. Still not quite right as it wants.
I'm gonna pause until he's got it on there. I'm gonna pause. Right, guys, we're gonna have to actually hot glue the bottom. If you don't actually have a hot glue gun, I'll link you one in the description. Or, guys, if you go to any DIY store such as B&Q, Wix, and all anything like that, should do hot glue guns. Anyone should. Yeah, there be hot glue guns in DIY stores. Do it yourself store. That's what they're called. So guys, we're going to need a hot glue gun. We've got our hot glue. Now you have to let it warm up first and don't touch glue because it will burn you. I've burnt myself off glue before. So guys, don't touch the glue because it will really burn you. It's hot, that glue. So the glue is hot. And it comes out of that stick at the back. Is it all ready to go?
We're a bit restricted on cable length at the moment. It's going to take a while to warm up. It just fell off there.
So it shouldn't take too long for the gun to warm up. So I'm going to pause until it has warmed up. Now if it's warmed up, you'll feel a bit of heat here. So yeah, guys. That's going to glue this on there. It's all in shape, ready to get glued on. See, it's all shaped, isn't it? So you could do it side by side. Do this side, then the back, and that, and then there. I'll link one. These are pretty inexpensive. I'm doing this with all common hand tools as well. They're all pretty inexpensive. That's inexpensive. The handbrake gaiter and the gear stick gaiter. It's only £16. Yeah. Go and look on eBay or Amazon. I'll put a link in the description so you can find it. I know where these come from and I'll link one of these in the description. And after this, I'll show you how to do your handbrake gaiter. Starting to glue it down. Put the glue in all the corners as well.
No, I'm just working my way around bit by bit.
So work your way round bit by bit. I'm not going to make you watch all of it. So what you do, work your way bit by bit. Keep gluing as you go along. Little slight glues as you go along. And I'm going to pause and you're just going to put in glue. Or slide a lot of glue there. But be aware you're doing it bit by bit. And be aware you don't want to burn yourself either.
What like I've just done.
Yeah, like he just burnt himself there.
Ow!
If you're wondering what his name is Ray, if you're wondering. Yeah, but it's my granddad, if you're wondering. So we're gradually gluing it in. And look, just keep gluing in slight bits. You'll get it done in the end. And I'm going to pause until we've done. To get this on here, I realise we can't get it on this. So I'm going to cut the top part of this off so we can lock it in. So I'm thinking about cutting this slightly. Cut half of it. Modifying. Slight modifying car part.
Just to the top of that, we'll cut a bit.
Yeah, we're cutting this slightly, guys, if you're wondering. I'm doing it so I can get it to fit in the car. See, that's a super helpful trick. It should lock them.
Don't have to film me doing this, Joe.
Yeah, so I'm going to pause until he has cut it. Guys, we finally clicked it all in. Guys, it has been a real mission to click that thing in.
Right.
It is. Push it down in there like that. It looks quite neat now. It looks way better than it did look before. Right, guys, I'm putting this all back together now. Right, guys, completely off the interior. Put our interior piece back in. You start from the right to the left. Check that it's in. Make sure. Yeah, guys. Make sure I've pushed all that down. Yeah, so it's meant to be. Yeah, guys. That looks real nice. Let's go make the handbrake gaiter look like that. Yeah, guys. You have to push moderately hard on that to get it in. What it means is very hard. That's what it means. Am I right there, Dad? What's just... Right, let me feel the shift here. I keep thinking the 6 there. Like my simulator. So, guys... That looks really great. Oh, guys, the rip's all gone. Yeah, I like this car even more now. I like this car more now than I did before. Do you like it now better now than you did before, Dad?
Yeah.
So, what are your thoughts on it?
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Good job.
Now it's got the handbrake looking like that in this video. Now. So, right, guys, let's work to the handbrake now. There's a slight rip down there. It's hard to see. Onto the gaiter.
What do you reckon?
It's alright.
It's black, isn't it?
So, that has not been out since 2002, probably. Okay, let's get all this out.
out.
Yeah. You have to real force to get it out. What that's doing. So there's probably enough leverage if you pull there. So guys, let's just show you how the handbrake works. It's not how you get to see every day. I'm just going to pull it up and down quickly. It's not what you get to see every day. That is cool. Look, there's the handbrake gaiter. Now I can have a look under there. Three two 67057, that number.
It's also a musical instrument.
Yeah.
Oh, I've still got the original.
So when was that in?
Where's all this come out then?
Nah. So guys, showing you how to replace with a gaiter. I hope it's all helpful. I'm not sure you how to do the handbrake in case yours is broken. Well, let's get into the kitchen right now. We're popping this bit out at the moment. It seems a lot easier than the the gear stick one.
It's come out. Oh, it lifts up from there. Look at it.
We're using our wallpaper scraper.
Just want something with a nice thin edge on it. That's what you need. That's in there.
What is that? That is the gaiter. It's attached to that plastic.
It looks like I might have to glue this actual piece back in because I don't think it's meant to come apart.
You can see how it's ripped. So, this comes with a handbrake gaiter as well, which I was needed as well. There's a clip there. I want to make sure I get a good camera shot as well. Need to think of the viewers as well. So this is a new gaiter.
It's out, charge on.
Oh, it looks like you're going to snap if you don't care. Yeah.
Can't get it out, mate. Is there any? Is there any information on it?
stapled in there. That seemed a lot easier. Staples. You got a stapler, Dad?
Let's get the whole thing out. See what I'm doing.
I'm going to pause until he gets it out. Here you go, it's nearly out, guys. There you go, there's the old gaiter. And here's the plastic mount.
Yeah. It's not been without casualties.
What's casualties?
It's like, this was something glued on or it snapped off, or it's been glued. It's actually been glued on. Look, these are glue joints, aren't they?
Yeah.
There's no plastic apart from that.
So yes, don't you? I think you've accidentally broke it. Oh, we'll just hot glue it back on there.
That's all. I've got two.
Doesn't matter too much. We can hot glue it.
Okay.
We got to release all the staples now. So have you got any staples, Dad?
Oh, blimey. Yeah. Where's that going like that?
So you always compare your old part. Yeah, always compare your part.
What are these cutouts for here then?
There's a slight colour difference, but doesn't matter too much. It looks brand new. It is really nice, guys. It is. But guys, we've got to pop out all these staples. Do you think you have to reuse those staples?
Can't reuse them.
I'm just putting our own in. I think there's slightly different staples to ours. We're just going to keep pulling.
That's what that's for. Because I didn't see them cutouts there. Is that glue? Or I'll snap something off.
We can just staple it ourselves. Or we could just.
They're glue joints, aren't they?
What, them staples?
These bits here.
Yeah. I'm going to pause until we get all these staples out, and then we'll be back. Guys, we've got the gaiter off,
On the surface.
and now we're getting the new gaiter in. Now, what we're trying to do now.
On camera. Yeah, the cutouts are wrong.
Where we could cut our own. Well, we could cut on our own, couldn't we? The incorrect cutting edges are fine. Have you got it on the wrong way? You got it on the wrong way, Dad. Yeah, guys, we just put it on the wrong way and thought we had it cut wrong. There, guys, we got it correct now.
Cuts are still in the wrong place.
It doesn't matter too much. Do you agree what I say there?
So that should be there. Right in the centre.
It's not too bad. We can cope with that.
It's the centre one that's out. That one fits there.
But does that matter too much, the middle one? I got an idea. Have you got a stapler, Dad?
I don't think it's going to go in that though, do you?
Right, guys. We decided to glue it in. So we're using our hot glue gun like we did with the gaiter that you see earlier on in the video. You apply a bit of glue and glue it in. That's our next. And watch you don't burn yourself 5 as well, guys. Because this glue right there is hot. Don't ever touch that metal on there, it's boiling you. That'll really burn you. So I want to pause until we've completely glued it. Right, guys. Here's your gaiter, which should be slotted back in. You're going to slot it over the handbrake. Takes a little bit of wiggle to get it in. But guys, it's not too much of an issue. Very tight fitting though. So you're going to have to real wiggle this in there. Just pull each corner. You be careful here, guys. Got 6 clips, I think. I'm gonna pause until I got this thing in. Right, guys, we're slotting this thing in. I'm gonna pause until I got this thing in. Right, guys, it's very nearly in there. Got the back part in. I've got a slot in the front. So guys, do your finals, clip this bit in. So guys, now it's going to be the attempt just to get it in there now. Get back in. There you go. How does it feel? Very nearly on. That looks really nice. How'd it feel to work it? That looks so nice. So, complete setup. That looks really nice. Feels nice to just roll through the gears. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. And obviously you reverse it. So this should be very nice. Let's challenge, get it in here. Be aware, this is thicker material, so yes, it's going to be tough. It's going to be better material. See, look guys, look. Rip is gone. Rip on the handbrake's gone. All of it's gone. So guys, I'm amazed. So, right. I'm just going to jump into the computer room and end off this video. Right guys, we're going to end off this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a like.